Hi, this is Dansoy. Bringing you the live cook. Part one. This is American Mexican smoked chicken with brown rice. I'll do it in parts because it takes steps. But I got mushrooms. I took a bag and I put green parts of a scallion and onions in there. I got fire roasted tomato, chicken strips. I got pepper, cilantro, garlic. This is really important, smoke sauce. And to cook, I got sea salt and canola oil. And then later I got the brown rice and the cheese. So it'll be like a mixture of things. So you just spray in the olive oil, throw in some sea salt, and then the chicken. You just toss that in there. And then you take your mushrooms and throw it in there. Like a lot of times it's great just to set it up. And then this is just like a trick. You can take green scallion, spices, and diced onions and shake it all up. So that'll just keep cooking. So I got garlic. You can actually take fresh garlic or just use the bottle. And you throw that in there. And you just basically keep cooking it. Like, you don't need these diced tomatoes, but I have them left over, so I'm going to just throw them in there. This thing usually only takes like 15 minutes if you have everything together. So you take cilantro. That's Mexican spice. You throw that in there. Then you take black pepper and you throw that in there. And then the thing you can do next is the fire roasted tomatoes. You can put some of that in there. So it's basically like Mexican American. So I got everything in there except the hot sauce. So you can add more salt if you want. So I'll be back in a few. God bless. Peace out. What's up? What's up? What's up? Dansoy back again. This camera really sucks. Thanks Verizon. Got to get a new phone soon. Back to step 2. We're almost done. Like, you just have to add the hot sauce. I've been doing that. Like, just stirring it and cooking down. Now it's the hot sauce, whatever you want to use. This will give it like a smoky taste. And then you have the cheese, so it's like a Mexican thing. You can put this over on a plate by itself or over top of rice or noodles. But you just add the hot sauce, and you just add the liquid smoke. I wish you could smell this right now. All you can smell is smoke right now, like a smoky taste. More smoke. Let's kick it up. Kick it up, kick it up. So on medium heat and just cooking it down. The next step is put it to the plate, put the brown rice and the cheese on, and it's done. God bless. Hey, 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 it's Dansoy. Hello Facebook world and YouTube world. We're back with the last step. With this dish, you can just leave it as it is or add cheese on the top. It's smoky, it has mushrooms and garlic. You can do everything to your taste. So here's the final product right here. There's the American Mexican smoked chicken with garlic and the brown rice. And if you want, you can like take whatever cheese you want that you like, and then you could just toss it on there, do whatever you want. You know, it's your cooking, your world. Do whatever you want, but that's basically it. Add cheese just to add some flavor to it, but that's basically it. The American Mexican cook. Peace out. God bless.